Welcome to No Dog Licks. Today I'm going to do an unboxing. Let me give you a little bit of background. I tried to do a video where I was carrying this and following the dogs, and it was very, very shaky. So I looked on the internet and found this handheld grip, which they say is a stabilizer. Supposedly it's supposed to help me get better videos. It's a Zeadio, so Zeadio. All right. It's compatible with cameras and camcorders, GoPros, phone holders, video lights, and microphones. It can be mounted on a tripod, and it can be handheld. And let's see over here, it says standard 1/4 inch female threads, enables you to add video lights, flash, or microphone. Comfortable handle, alleviates the stress of lengthy filming. It's got a standard 1/4 inch male thread and standard 1/4 inch female thread. All right, and that's what it looks like. So let's go ahead and open it up. Nothing else in the box. All right. So you get a handle. Looks like you get a couple of screw-on attachments. And I guess you just hold it like that and go filming. On top you have a cold shoe well, you got 3 of them that you can, and then another one that you can screw something else into. Oh, does this come off? Not at the moment. It probably does. But I'm thinking that I have to get this set up so the camera will be balanced in my hand. So let's see what we can do here. I can see that the microphone is in the way. Unplug that. Take that off. And now, because I'm not quite sure where I need it yet, I guess I would want to have that up front, but that's too balanced. I'm holding it back here. Way too much weight. That's not too bad there. All the way back. I want to fill up. And trying to get it just about center. I think that's about it. So. Look. Let's move around on me. Now that's already tight. That's bottomed out already. That's not good. Guess there should be a peg in there. again. I don't like that. That moves around. I'll have to fiddle around with it. But, yep, it's too far up. I'll have to put something underneath there to keep it located. I wonder if that's what this one's for. It's a shorter. Oh, let's go look at this. I don't know if they just gave you a spare one or this is adjustable. Nope, that's not adjustable. All right, take that one off. There's an easy way to get this out. No, apparently you have to. Well, after I fiddled around with that, the one that was in the bag was a silver bolt, and the one that was actually in there is a gold bolt. I guess gold bolt. It's not quite silver, it's a little bit greenish, I guess. But in any case, you can actually unscrew it from the nut that's inside of there and pull it down and then take this off the other one and put it up in there. The silver one is actually shorter. And so now I'm very tight on this thing. I get down pretty good. Now it doesn't move around. And I feel very, very comfortable now. I do have to make some more adjustments. I can get it a little closer to what I need. Let's see what we do. All right. Now, that looks like it's a little bit forward. So I need to loosen back up, walk it forward a little bit. Just a matter of balancing it. So, oh, now I'm too far forward. Maybe I was good the last time. Yeah, I still got to go back farther. Let's see. It's touching down first, so I got a little too far forward. Just using that front one. Yeah, that's pretty good. I think that's good and balanced. So we'll tighten that up. Now, should be really, really good for getting this. And we'll go for a walk and see how it goes. Come on, Axel! Axel, come on! I guess it's just me, you guys. Alright, let's see how this works. Come on, let's go. Radar, go, go, go. Yep. See if that's any better. Hello, Radar and Manson's the one up front. I'm going to go over here. See, we've got a plane up in the sky. I don't know if you can see that. If not, I'll edit it out. Now Manson's being double P. Alright. What are you doing, Manson? What are you carrying in your mouth? Huh? You're seeing a little dog walking across the yard. Ruff. Where you guys going? This is the way we go. Come on. Come on, let's go this way. We'll just walk a little bit, hopefully it'll catch up. Come on, come on. See how this one is. What are you guys doing? Hanson? What are you doing? Alright. Locked-in border. Birds dive bombing. Radar's on his way into the house already. And my son told me I needed a gimbal because it would give me more of a steady unit. The lowest ones I could find was around $279. Better ones are up around $700. Just didn't want to pay that kind of money. So I settled for this $20 little C kind of stabilizer. We'll see if it actually does any good. Going in the house, Manson? All right, I wanted to make a quick follow-up on this handheld stabilizer. I'm not really impressed with that it has. Oh, let me go back. When I'm holding it like this, it does seem to take out some of the shakiness. But it doesn't help me because the way I walk, I get this going. And so uh, it does take off where I'm holding it and I'm shaking walking, but it doesn't help with the wobble that I put into it. So for that reason, it doesn't really help. It does do a lot better because I can lay my hand way, way low and I can get the ground, catch the dog butts and stuff like that. Um, it's good for that. But as far as stabilizing, if you are a shaky person or you don't have a good walk, I'm going to say this isn't going to help you out. It didn't help me out. Um, so I'm going to keep it and see what I can do with it. But at this point, I can't really say it's serving for what I had purchased it for.